All right, welcome back to another video, everyone. So I've got another amazing location for you here today. So as you can see, I'm an excellent soccer player. We have got an abandoned church here. Now, the interesting thing about this location is that there's a bunch of donations here that were supposed to go to Ukraine. You can see I'm wearing one of them right now. Now, I'm not exactly sure what happened with this, why these donations never made it where they were supposed to go, but I'm sure there's a really interesting story behind it, and I'm gonna see what I can figure out. And I was originally here about 2 to 3 years ago, but I do have some pictures from then, I think, mobile shots, that shows it when it was basically full of stuff. So I'm gonna be including those in the video if I can find them, and I think you guys are really gonna enjoy this one. So let's check out this static space. Okay. So like I mentioned in the intro, this is a really cool location. Mainly because of what's left behind here. Death grips. Yeah, death grips, no kidding, eh? You don't want to grab onto those. I don't know if this place has power or not. Kind of have a feeling it doesn't, but you never know. Holy, 55-inch TV. That's big. I don't know, maybe that's kind of like a normal size by today's standards. I have no idea, because I actually still have a cathode ray tube, a CRT TV. One of those old big heavy ones. So you can see there's water leaking in here. It's all rotted. This building's going to be demolished anyway, so it's not too concerning, I guess you could say. I mean, they never planned to do anything else with it. Being a church, built in the mid-1900s, it's not super interesting architecturally. It's got some really nice brickwork though, of course, which they of course painted on the inside. We'll go in there in the main chapel in a minute. Let's just check down this way. Oh, what's this? Oh, pajamas. Okay. Got some pajamas hanging there. I guess that's first sign of, oh, check out these light fixtures. Those are cool. Definitely liking them. Yeah, main entrance here. All right, let's get to the good stuff. Holy, I can't believe how much stuff is in here. It's absolutely, it really is unbelievable. Stampeders. All this clothing was supposed to go to Ukraine as donations. Detroit Lions. Eskimos. That's pajamas. It's like a sweater. Detroit Lions again, I guess. Someone's definitely been rifling through all this stuff though. I don't know what these are. Oh. Yeah, I don't know what those are. And I'm not sure if this is like licensed apparel or if it's just like knockoffs. Oh wait, here we go. Oh, it says NHL.com, so maybe it is. What's this? Touch by Alyssa Milano. Really? What is this? It's a hoodie. Oh, Vancouver Canucks. Wow, so much stuff here. Looks like a lot of it's repeats. There's a few different varieties and then just a bunch of boxes of all the same stuff. That's ugly. More pajamas. Oh, what's in this big flat box? Nothing. Oh, got some diapers here. Yeah, it seems to be licensed maybe. So it wouldn't be cheap to buy retail at the retail price. Or pajamas. Oh, these are socks. Denver Broncos. One size fits most. Oh, gotta love it. What is going on these days, guys? One size fits most. No, that's not how it works, really. So yeah, when I was originally here, this place was full of stuff. It's like, oh, more socks. Seattle Seahawks. New England Patriots. Yeah, a lot of stuff. There's like a music room, there was offices. I don't think the pews were in here. And this was 2 to 3 years ago. And since then they've cleaned it out. I think I've only got mobile photos from then too, unfortunately, so I'll try and include those in the video if I can find them. Oh, some earrings or something there. Soundproofing on the walls here. Yeah, I got more. Just boxes and boxes of stuff everywhere. More socks, Pittsburgh Penguins. Yeah, so I'm not exactly sure like how this stuff ended up here, but obviously there was a company or a charity who was collecting it all and going to donate it, and then for whatever reason it never made it. So we got all these diapers here, like 8 to 12 pound babies. Hello Bello. How many diapers are in one of these cases? Boxes. 96 diapers. So you're looking at thousands and thousands of diapers here. It's pretty unbelievable. They're all Hello Bello brand. Different sizes too. A lot of, this seems to all be pajamas. Who even wears pajamas? Like, I don't know. Let me know down in the comments if you wear pajamas. I don't. Okay, that's not a bad jacket actually. Toronto Raptors. I don't know what this one is. Oh, still a pretty nice jacket. We even got a football over here. Oh, Bible. So yeah, in case I haven't mentioned it, this is actually an abandoned church. So that's why there's a Bible here. Even a football. That's probably from when it was a church, I would guess. It's a pretty big, prayer hall here, whatever you call it. All sorts of stuff. I can't believe it. It's all sports stuff too. Vancouver Canucks. Oh, here we go. Here's something different. This looks like Simpsons. Oh, look at this. It's like a Simpsons shirt or something. A Lisa shirt. It's kind of cool. No record extra. I don't know what that means. Maybe that means this was like the discards, the stuff that they couldn't donate or something like that. For some reason, no record makes me think, you know, the company that was picking up the stuff didn't have a record of it. Size 6L, 6XL? Holy, that is massive. My God. Yeah, a lot of nice stuff here though. But like 4XL and 3XL, maybe it's all like that. It's kind of unwanted items. What's that? Minecraft. Huh. Yeah. Can't believe the amount of clothing in here. Oh, there's just a nice regular t-shirt. All right. So the one thing, I was saw like nighties and pajamas and stuff. The one thing I forgot to show you, so in case you're wondering where I got the idea that this was supposed to go to the Ukraine, so we've got this label here, Ukraine donation. So it never made it for whatever reason. Now you may have seen Freaktography's video from here. And from what he's mentioned, he's trying to sort it out, get this stuff donated, so good for him for doing that. I think most of these rooms are empty, but there's still some cool stuff to see. Plus, like I said, I think I've got some photos from my initial visit when the place was more interesting. Holy! This place hasn't even been abandoned all that long, but yet it's got this big hole in the roof. Look at that. Yeah, this place is going to become moldy pretty quickly after that. Doesn't take long. Once that roof fails, your building's done. Cleaning. Huh. All right, keep moving on here. Keep moving along. It's weird, why is that ladder there? Huh. So we got a big, like, oh, kind of like a gymnasium maybe. No, just a big empty space, which wouldn't have been empty when it was active. Yeah, so like a play space probably. Oh, it's leaking here too. Yeah, this building's doomed. Leftovers from the church. So this room up here is pretty cool. It close the door to give you the full effect. Does it close? Oh. There we go. So this was like the music room. There was a a drum set like over there or something like that. I don't know, there are a few different musical instruments in here. Like I said, if I have the photos, I'll definitely be including them. I think I do. They're probably somewhere stored away. But yeah, this is pretty cool, you know. It's kind of makeshift. You can see it wasn't like full walls or anything like that. They kind of just added it later. I don't even know what this says. Impact. I don't know. Generations? Oh yeah, Impact Generations. Whatever that means. Tent or something. Oh, here we go. We got the road salt. Join the revolution. Oh, here we got more donations. Hand sanitizer. Vinyl gloves. Paper plates. Plastic forks. Nice. And spoons. I could use those since they're now banned. Sorry, I don't like using what is this? Safety goggles, huh? Yeah, I don't like using the wooden ones. Imagine getting a splinter in your mouth from eating with wooden cutlery. Like, come on. Oh, look at these big bottles of hand sanitizer. Wonder if they don't seem to have an expiry date. Hydrogen peroxide, all sorts of like medical supplies, eh? Some of it from Dollarama. It's not very useful. Dettol. Yeah, people have just strewn this stuff all over the place. Stir sticks. Garbage bags, jeez. Yeah, it's a whole crazy mixture of stuff. Nice kitchen here. Lots of cupboard space. Yeah, I think these are just washrooms here. Yeah, just washrooms. Let's check one of them out. I haven't even looked in one yet. Oh. I see toilet paper and paper towels on the ground, so I think someone's been using them. Let's check up here. Oh. So maybe they were taking donations from the general public as well. But those cases of stuff don't really look like they're from the general public. So your attic space, storage space up here. What do we got? Oh, a nice turntable, record player. Somewhat broken, I guess. Joy of Living Bible Studies. Oh, this is like something from a nativity scene. Oh, we've got a projection screen as well. Pretty cool. Illustrated Bible Life. Never heard of it. 1994. Adult Teacher. 1995. Typewriter there. Ooh, soccer balls. Ooh, goalie pads too. All sorts of stuff here. What is this thing? Punching bag maybe? Probably. Yeah, all sorts of soccer balls and stuff. Huh. Cool. All right, thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Pretty cool with all the sports apparel being left here and the diapers and stuff like that. All those supplies to be donated to Ukraine. So, you know, it's unfortunate that that didn't end up going there, but it makes for a cool story to tell anyway, right? So, you know, all this sports equipment that was left here as well, you know, this mural behind me. So it was a pretty cool location, and glad I finally made it back here. So don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Throw a comment down below if you have anything to say. Share it. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell, and I'll see you all at the next Static Space. Bet you guys didn't know I was an amazing soccer player, did you? Well, actually, I'm not. Obviously, judging by what I just did there. Anyway, all right, thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Pretty cool pillow. And of course, you know, the chapel, it's huge, it's big, it's... So, hope you guys enjoyed this one as much as I did. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Aww. All right, thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Really hope you enjoyed this location. Pretty cool with all this sports equipment. You know, leftover donations, right? And there's all these, I don't know, sports things, sports balls here. Anyway, and yeah, so pretty interesting place. Got to make use of that sports equipment, right? Anyway.